This is the most important member of my training team. This is Adonis, a dumbbell with fur. My fiance rescued him a few years ago, and cognitively, he's more of a decoration piece. I'm not fully sure that he understands gravity, but what he lacks in intelligence, he makes up for in emotional support. Anytime that I have a bad lift or a bad day, I know you're gonna get down. He's there, completely unaware of my problems, just happy that I exist. One of the most important parts of training is managing stress, and getting to come home to this absolute buffoon is the best recovery tool that I have. He reminds me every single day that it is okay to slow down, and honestly, that's worth everything.